What's up, guys? If you guys can hear me, can you type in the Zoom chat, please? What's up, Oscar? Steve, what's up, man? Awesome, guys. Really quick, I think market's opening in like 10 seconds. Watching Jumia, watching Amazon, watching Facebook. Chewy broke out, but pop. Wait. Okay, not watching JPM. Yeah, that's pretty much all we're watching. So we're watching Jumia, Amazon, all these big names. That is so funny, Steve, that happened to you. And we're getting ready for Facebook. Buying two, yeah, we'll go 285s. Not now, though. No, we're going to go 280s. We're going to go 280s. We'll play safe here. Have the 280 pulled up, but we aren't buying yet. We're waiting for this blue line. All right. Waiting on Amazon still. Waiting on Jumia. Jumia, we might delay entry a little bit on this. Probably wait for like that 41 area. Just play it a bit safer. But looks like a great setup. Amazon's going, but it looks like Facebook is also. I don't know which one to do. Are the keys? Oh, okay, that makes sense. What would be ideal right now, guys, is to see early morning sell-off, and then if we could see a rally later in the day, bringing these numbers, bringing these names, I mean, above, these resistances, that would be ideal. We don't want them to break quite yet. We would prefer to wait a little bit before entering. So. How are your guys' days so far, though? Exciting? Jumia is pumping. Hopefully that breaks. Facebook as well. Oh, get ready for Facebook, guys. And Facebook broke, and I'm entering. This is a bit high risk just because of how early this is. Very high RSI, yada, 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 but I'm in anyway. In at 1.86, and she went. Cool. Nice, guys. That's easy money on Facebook. I'll probably take profit here. Yeah, I'm taking profit at 1.98. 2.0 actually. Whoa, Facebook. Oh, please tell me some of you guys caught Facebook with me. Please, it's at 2.19 now. I just took profit. Who caught Facebook? Anybody? Anybody at all caught Facebook with me? No? Big sad. Okay. Well, for sure, Steve. That makes sense. Yeah, I was gonna say, can somebody do the math? In at 1.86, out at 2.2. If somebody can do the math there, that would be great. Amazon breaking out as well. I don't want to buy to close. I want to buy to open. I don't even have a short position in this. So how would I buy to close? My Schwab is like lagging really bad right now. There we go. Cool, cool. Well, I guess good thing Schwab lagged. Wow. And it's still lagging for me. I can't do anything on it right now. Sheesh. I'm eyeballing Amazon still. However, looks pretty wild to me as of right now. Just some weird price action on Amazon right now. You guys know what I mean? Amazon was a beauty. All right. Schwab is still lagging. What a bummer. Oh, I'm so tired, guys. That skiing yesterday totally took it out of me. Steve, I'm not even going to ask. I already know that you are about to buy a lot of Tesla calls. I don't even need to ask. I know you too well. LOL. Guilty as charged. Well, I'm not gonna stop looking at Amazon. This one's boring. For real, Kev. Kev, were you here when we caught Facebook, man? Honestly, that set my account past my daily goal today. Just barely. But I am past my daily goal already. So I'm happy about that. Oh, okay. Any of you guys want to see some beautiful technical analysis here? Just a beautiful resistance. Well, I don't care if you guys want to see it or not. I'm going to show you anyway. Look at this zone on Jumia, guys. We got like 1, 2, 3, 4 different bounces on this line here. Like, how can we not play that? It looks so good. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say. She is a beauty. I agree. We're waiting, man. Hopefully it'll break today. We'll probably wait for like 41. Just get a bit safer entry. But cool. I'm kind of sad that none of you guys caught Facebook with me. I think I was the only one in here that got Facebook. But I guess it happens. JPM. Chewy. Oh no, Kev, I'm sorry, man. Okay, that's good that a couple other people got it with me then, Isaac. That's nice. I'm just waiting on Jumi at this point. Honestly, it is a possible swing. I'll probably day trade it or scalp it, but it is a possible swing on Jumia. Most likely not. How? Yeah, maybe though. Nice geof. I got let me see here. I'll send a picture. But I got 1.86 entry, and then I sold at 2.2 on Facebook. So do you know what? Can somebody do the percentages on that? Isaac, I believe in you, man. 1.86 to 2.2. What percent is that? Or not? That's fine. We'll figure it out later. Um, so Chandon, I think you do 1 subtracted by 0.84 actually. If that's the number you got, 0.84. So then it would be 16%. 16%, right? I think so. Anyway. PLTR. Okay. I always love when you guys just send tickers. Like I have no clue what you're saying. All you do is you just send a ticker. Yeah, she's breaking out. That was actually a great zone. I wish I had that. Oh well. I don't think I've ever traded PLTR before. Bit too low cap for me. Not that much though. Go, Jumia, go. Still deciding on Amazon. I guess we could play like Orb, High of Day. Basically, the reason why I want to play it is just because it broke above this 3250 mark. Yeah, Facebook, godlike. Oh, let's check our dividend portfolio, guys. Let's see how that's doing. Okay. Oh, great buying opportunities here. I'll probably add more to Pfizer a little bit later today, guys. Um, Same with Zion Bank. Besides that, though, everything's looking solid. Maybe add more to TNT. We shall see, though. We'll see how the day progresses, I suppose. Nice, Kev. I just gotta ask one question here, Kev. Are you well diversified? Okay. Like how many? Like how many different names do you own right now? Okay, yeah, that's good. That's good. I always like to do also, Kev, if you're building like if you're building some sort of like dividend portfolio, something like that, I always find the easiest way to, diversify even more is to like buy some, dividend ETF, something like that. Obviously, it'll probably hurt your annual yield a little bit. However, man, works wonders to diversify yourself. You don't have as much at stake in each stock, whatever. I would suggest doing that. I usually have like 20 or 30. No, no, so I'm not talking like an ETF for a sector. I'm talking like an overall like market ETF. Like I'm talking like either probably you would probably either want to do SPYD or SCHD. But basically the reason for that is just that way, it basically lowers the standard deviations of your portfolio a little bit, which is a good thing. So I would suggest it. Just do like, yeah, I mean SPYD, I don't know what their yield is right now, but we'll look for you. Of course, man. Yeah, I mean SPYD's yield is 4.5% right now, which is great. I should make a class on it. Yeah, I would actually, that's a great idea. I would actually love it. I mean, I think technically it's probably what I'm most certified for. I make most of my money from trading, but like in terms of schooling and paperwork, I guess like long-term investing is probably what I'm most certified for. Um, I would actually love to do that. Who would be interested? You want to diversify my, wait, I want, okay. Yeah, for sure, Kev. Dividends are a great way to do it. Just make sure that you aren't getting too high of dividend yield stocks because those high dividend yields are really scary, man. I know, like, yeah, yeah, Steve, your game. Who else would be game for a dividend class? Actually, I'll post it right now. I'll ask about it. Cool, guys. All right, yeah, I'll set it up. I'll let you guys know about it later on. If you guys could just vote, I just sent in Kanji Trades, who's down for a dividend income course. If you guys could just like emote on it so I know like how many, so I can count how many people. It's been a long time since we did a class, guys. Last time I did a class for you guys was like last summer. Those were fun. This is going to be totally different, which will be fun as well. Cool, guys. Anyway, let's get back to trading, though. Still waiting on Jumia Technologies. Haven't broken yet. Oh, look. Our contracts would be like in the money right now. That's awesome. What's it bouncing off of, though? Oh, that was a great entry there. Here we go, baby. Do it. Do it. I think I was going to place something on buy too. Oh, that broke on the gap. Okay. Dude, if the Qs lose this low of day, we could see quite a gap down. So I guess just be careful for those of you guys that are into those big techs like Amazon, Facebook, AMD right now. Yeah, I would just be careful. Let's check out some Jumia premiums right now, guys. What are we feeling here? Hmm. We probably buy like 42 calls. Just seems so far out to me, but I guess, Jumia is a mover. So I guess 42 isn't that far out, but it really does not feel right. I would much prefer like a 41 and a half. However, that's not an option, and I don't quite know if I want to go in the money necessarily, because I do think this has some pretty nice potential. So yeah, we'll go 42s this Friday expiration. That's gonna make contracts right around $100 each that we're gonna buy here once when it breaks. If she breaks, I guess. Hmm. Yeah, let's see how she reacts around this line here. No, don't go down. Go up. Whoa, what's going on here? Don't you dare reject again. I fully expect you to break out. Don't you do it. No. Bit of a high RSI. I'm not really concerned about it though. That honestly, if Jumia doesn't break today, this is like 2020 officially sucks. If Jumia doesn't break today, that pisses me off. Okay. Well, Facebook. Chewy. I don't know why I'm on the 1 minute candles. You know what? We'll also play AMD 98. That looks really solid. I dig it. Little all-time high breaks here on Jumia and on AMD. If it goes, that is. Can it get worse? I really feel like 2020 could get worse. I don't know how, but like it feels like there's more in store for us? It could, especially if we aren't done with Rona yet. True, at least it is almost over. Like how close to Earth? Uh-huh. Um, when is this supposed to happen? Oh, okay. Well, we still got some time then to enjoy life. I'm gonna start from the bottom this time. We don't see anything here, and if AMD and Jumia still look far away, I may call it a day. However, we're gonna go through this real quick. It would appear like Oracle's about to break out, but I'm not playing it. I don't like them. Tesla Ripper. Dang. That HD swing, honestly, was pretty nice that we had. That was really nice. I liked it. Nice and passive, you know? Yeah, I'm gonna call it for the day, guys. We caught Facebook. I hit my daily goal, you know? Nothing else is breaking out right now. Everything looks kind of crappy. Qs are about to break through this floor, it looks like. Yeah, I'm gonna call it. I'll stay in touch with you guys though about doing a dividends class if that's what you guys want. That'd be a lot of fun actually. I'd appreciate that. What do I think about bid you? Okay, let's go to it. Hmm. Yeah, I mean they look like a good company, Mary Rose. They really do. Seems like they've got some pretty tight financials, honestly. Um, yeah, I mean they really do seem like they got some tight financials. So I mean, I long term, yeah, totally go for it. I don't know about like short term right now on it. It's kind of sitting in just a weird zone. Had this major pump yesterday. Now it's just sitting here kind of consolidating right near yesterday's low of day. So you can't really, I mean, I don't really see anything on it to like trade right now, but I mean like long term it looks great. So does that answer your question okay, Mary? Yeah, of course. Any other questions, I guess, before I leave? Okay, Michael, go for it, bro. What's up? What do I think of Apple? Here's the current issue with Apple, in my opinion. I think, they have such a great customer base. The people who buy Apple iPhones, like I use all Apple products, Like I have like AirPods, I use like the MacBook. I think it's the MacBook Pro. I don't even know what I have, honestly. MacBook Air is, oh, wait. No, it is the MacBook Pro. Okay. Anyway, though, do that stuff. The AirPods, all that. They do have a great, customer base and they're very loyal. they're definitely like reoccurring customers. The issue with them is that I don't see a lot more room for them to expand. I think they're running into the same problem that Starbucks did a while ago. They're running into the problem of, you know, they already have a Starbucks on every corner. It'd be very hard for them to expand their commerce anymore, except for going into like different countries, which they've just started to do, but you know, not the greatest thing. So I would say, yeah, in that standpoint, I really don't see a lot more room for Apple to grow. So I do think this is gonna, it'll probably become at some point more of like a blue chip type of stock rather than this growth type of deal that Apple's been trading like lately. In terms of the technical analysis, we are trading in some bull territory. Um, it appears like it's going to be retesting its all-time highs. Just it broke out of this kind of weird channel that it was in. Maybe some sort of like ascending wedge, something. Who knows, right? But I would say the technical analysis would point to being bullish on it. 50 moving average above the 200, MACD is crossed over to the upside. I would say the only downside would be the RSI that's high. Besides that, though, it does look very bullish to me. Yeah, of course, Michael. How does CRM above 230 for gap play? I don't know. Let's look. Oh, it's a great gap and a great resistance, man. Well, the resistance is kind of sketch, but the gap is there. Um, dude, the gap is totally there. Yeah, let's rip it. We're throwing it in the watch list. How do I, what just happened? Yeah, there we go. Looks solid, dude. That actually looks like a great play. I probably won't break. I can't imagine that it'll break 230 today. I suppose it might, but I doubt it will. So that'll probably be like tomorrow or something. Oh, wait, I might be skiing tomorrow. Um, FS. Hmm. I'm not liking this one as much as I was liking the last one. I will be honest with you. Um, I mean, I'll still rip it though. Hmm, maybe not. Definitely CRM. I'll keep an eye on CRM. I'll probably pass on Fastly, however. Yeah, nothing's gonna happen today, guys. Looks like a boring day, to be totally honest. I'm happy I caught Facebook. That was a huge bagger. Um, put us above the daily goal, first trade of the day. So I don't feel bad leaving. Um, anyway, I will see you all. If you guys, have any questions about that class that we're thinking about doing, whatever, just let me know. If you have any questions at all, feel free to DM me. Um, I'm always happy to help you guys out. So great. Thanks, Michael. Thank you all. See you guys.